Hi, I'm Joe Compel, Principal at Memorial School. On behalf of the administration, faculty, and staff, I'd like to welcome you to the Totowa School District. We've prepared a presentation for you, all about kindergarten. We'll tell you about some of the programs that we have to offer, in addition to the registration process. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. This brief presentation will provide you with 2 bits of information. First, we want to tell you a little bit about our school and programs. And then second, I want to cover some of the information that you need to know about the registration process. First, let's talk about the kindergarten program. It is a full-day program. The typical school day runs from 9 o'clock and dismissal is about 3:15. Students, during the course of a normal day, experience language arts and literacy. They experience mathematics. They have a snack time in the morning. In the middle of the day, we have some recess time and lunch time, a half hour for recess and a half hour for lunch. At the end of the day, we have mathematics, specials, some language arts activities, and then some science and social studies activities. When your children come to Memorial School, they will not only be provided with an excellent education, they will also take part in many activities that will lend to lifelong lessons and experiences. One program that kindergarten students experience early on in the school year is Safety Town. In October, Safety Town is linked to violence awareness. We have many activities tied together to promote school and student safety. We have Otto the Auto that comes to visit us to teach about pedestrian and street safety. The Passaic County Sheriff's Department visits our students with their horses and motorcycles. The Totowa Fire Department visits as well. The fire engines pull up onto our playground. Kindergarten students get to tour the equipment and see the equipment up close and personal. The fire department also shows them how to use the hoses to put out an imaginary fire, and children really enjoy this experience. At the end of October, we turn our playground into a pumpkin patch. Kindergarten students go outside with their classes to go pumpkin picking. They choose a pumpkin, decorate it, take it home for their families. We also celebrate Halloween, and students and staff alike get dressed in Halloween costumes. If the weather permits, we'll parade outside our building, and parents and grandparents and guardians are welcome to attend. In November, we celebrate Thanksgiving. We have a feast in our cafeteria. Our kindergarten students come together and celebrate the things that they're thankful for. In February, kindergarten students celebrate the 100th day of school. They spent a long time counting up to the 100th day, and we tied this day into student projects. Last year, we did a food drive where each grade level collected 100 food items to be donated to a local food pantry. Random Acts of Kindness is one of our programs where we're really trying to inspire and foster a culture of kindness in our school and community. In the spirit of caring and kindness to others, we put seasonal spins on this program. In the winter, we set up a mitten tree where we ask our families and students to donate items for those people who are in need. This year was one of our more successful mitten tree programs. We actually collected well over 400 items to donate to local families. Cops for Kids is another program offered here during the school year and summer months for those families that are in need of childcare before and or after school hours. It is a tuition-based program. It happens on site. There are supervised enrichment activities, and the tuition rates are very reasonable. Sessions are from 7:30 in the morning to 9 a.m. and from 3:15 to 6 p.m. Additionally, there's a summer program available as well. Our district website was completely revamped in the last few academic years. One of the new features is a virtual book bag where important announcements and reminders are located. A great feature of the virtual book bag is that announcements and flyers are archived by week and month. When children are registered in the Totowa School District, they'll be entered into the real-time information system. We use this information system for automated messaging, announcements pertaining to school closings, for the parent portal feature, gradebook, and homework features. Parents will receive a unique logon to the parent portal. This will give them access to their children's gradebook, report cards, important announcements, and teacher portal pages. When parents pick up a registration packet, inside this packet will be located enrollment information, a health history questionnaire, a native language survey, an affidavit of residency, a record of immunizations, and immunization requirements. We ask that parents please use the district website, clicking on important announcements for the link to sign up for an appointment with the registrar. Ms. Pam Steinhilber, she's located in room 205 in Washington Park School. Some other important reminders pertaining to the registration process. When parents come to register their child, an original birth certificate is required with a raised seal. The registrar will make a copy of it, and you will get your original birth certificate handed back to you. The affidavit of residency forms must be notarized. And again, we ask that all parents fill in forms completely. Some important dates to mark on your calendar include March 26th. That's when registration and immunization forms are due to Ms. Steinhilber at Washington Park School. On August 6th, physical forms are due to Ms. Steinhilber at Washington Park School. And at the end of August, room, teacher, and bus assignments will be sent home directly to parents and guardians. Thank you for viewing this presentation. Feel free to contact us with any questions that you may have in regards to the registration process. And once again, I'd like to welcome you to the Totowa School District. I look forward to meeting your children in September. Thank you.